In this video, we're going to talk about how to write a good introduction for an academic essay. So, in an introduction, we can divide it into two main parts, which is the background statements and the thesis statement. In background statements, we can divide it into the hook and the development. So what is the hook? The hook is used to attract readers' attention. It can be in the form of one of two lines. And what can we put in the hook? We can put definition, we can put anecdote or story, and we can put quotations, we can put questions. Definition could be retrieved from various sources, including magazines, newspapers, journals, and reference books, maybe. It is a form of explanations about the terms and issue. Next, we can also put anecdote as the hook. Anecdote is story, a short one, a brief story that can be related to the issues that are going to be discussed in the essay. Next, quotes. Quotations can be in the form of expert quotes, quotes from expert and authority of the topic, and also popular sayings or proverbs. Okay, what is quotes from experts? For example, you can get this from newspapers, magazines, about people who have the power in certain field, talking about the topic that you are talking about in your essay. For example, forests provide so many values beyond lumber, Kelly said. This is taken from The Star, February 2, 2016. This can be used in essay related to deforestation. Next, we have proverbs. Proverbs are popular sayings or sayings that have been passed down for generations. For example, it takes many years to grow a tree, but a day to cut it down. This can be also used in topics related to deforestation. Next, question. Question can also be used in the hook because question can raise people's attention to the topic, which is actually making the essay more interesting. For example, why is it important to preserve the forests? You can ask this question before you start writing your essay. But when you ask question, you need not answer it. Now we proceed to development. So what is development? Development comes after the hook. It gives an overview of the issue involved in the topic. So it is basically a brief introduction, explanations about what is this topic about. It is a sort of like a connection between the hook and the thesis statement, linking them together. An example of development would be, recently the cases of deforestation have increased tremendously due to monetary benefits as well as the desire towards craft papers and durable handmade wood furniture. So you can use this kind of method to talk about what happened recently as the development of the essay. this kind of development can be used for essays related to illegal logging, deforestation. So after the development, we proceed to the thesis statement, which is the last part of the introduction. So since we gave example based on deforestation, so this thesis statement example, I will also give example based on deforestation. So the example is as such. As a result, the worsening rate of deforestation will cause global warming, flash flood, and landslide. So after the hook, whether you want to ask question or you want to tell story or you just want to put in the definitions, you will proceed to the development, which briefly tell people about the current issue, the things that happens recently about the topic, and later you continue with the thesis statement, which sum up and tell everyone about the main ideas of the essay you are going to talk about. So that's it. Thank you.